Hey guys, this is Roost Vans going over the installation of our upper cabinetry into our mounting kit. You start off with a flat pack ready to assemble upper cabinet. Get it pre-assembled. You go ahead and use some Loctite and install the captured rail nuts, and then you pull the whole thing up and get it inserted into our upper mounting kit. Drops in as such. Feed the rail nuts in, just like I did there, and then you can push these into place and then rotate them to get them secured. I'll go ahead and hop over on the other side here. And now all 4 rail nuts have been rotated into position. And then from there, you can get the cabinet slid into exactly where you want it to be, and then finish up the installation by tightening down all the nuts. Visit us at roostvans.com for more information. Thank you.